Maghumba ko og tiil sa baboy. Panangkot, laurel, bawang, bombay cubes, patangan akong dry mushroom, sugar, coke, at soy sauce, vinegar, the ajinomoto, and the paminta, guys. Halo-halo na natanan, guys. Yan, naka-pressure na. Ilagay natin lahat. Lahat na, halo-halo na yan, guys. Ganyan ako magluto, yung hindi na maraming chuchu-puruching. Ganyan lang, lagay-lagay na lang lahat, guys. Then after that, halo-halo na. Soy sauce, sugar cubes, then the coke. Ayan na, guys, isa lang na natin ang ating humbang paa ng baboy. Guys, yummy-yummy na ang ako ang pasahumba, guys, with mushroom. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye!